When you finish editing a reel, it's really tempting to post it and move straight on to the next one. But if you've already spent the time scripting, filming, editing, making that time, getting ready, there's so much more you can do with it. So I start by pulling the transcript. I use Capwing. You can also use Descript for this too. So I pull that transcript and then I may highlight a few sentences that like really stand out. And those lines can become text post captions, quotes, quick wins for your next batch of content, like your sparks. I grab a few stills or short clips if it's relevant from the video, and I might use that in stories or as like screenshots in a carousel. Um, you can take one longer idea from the video and make it into a longer piece, like a LinkedIn post or a newsletter. Um, and I also track this against the buyer journey. So when I take that one piece of content, I try to see how I can make it relevant for the whole buyer journey, right from awareness, so somebody who doesn't know me at all, right through to advocacy. And we look at decision making and consideration, and is it a nurture piece? And I try and make sure that as much as possible, we get that from the video or the big piece of content. So basically, what I'm saying is a 60-second reel, it doesn't just give you that visibility once. If you can use it again, it can fuel much more content than just that once.